It's now or never. Why I am making video about the topic? It's now or never. Even no one watches your video. When you try to make video about English, when you try to speak in English, and sometimes someone criticize about yourself, someone don't listen about your conversation, why it actually happens with you, and what's the main solution behind the problem. What in your life, when you learning something, you always find a solution. Like, you in this time you also feel stuck, you think that no, I can't do that, and as a part and parcel of our life as a human being, this problem, but you have to change it, because in 2025 you are a smart person, you are a unique person, so you have to find solution, not feel stuck with problem means not that you are going in very big difficult situation. Problem means you create an opportunity to go forward, to go far away, so you have to build it, and when you build it, you get a confidence, you get an emotion that actually help in your learning way. Now let's take a short story to understand the story of your real life. Every human has a shy, every human has right to see a dream. Then why you feel stuck, why you get this negative thing? Because shy is a indomitable part of everyone's life, and it's create nothing in your life, it's just a part and parcel of your life. And if you think that that gonna create a negative situation in your life, then it's totally your negative mentality, it's totally your problem, not that you just think and this shy destroy your life. No, you just look at with someone like Elon Musk, like Bill Gates, and any other businessman. They are also getting shy, they are also feel stuck when starting their journey. So if you think that it just happens with you, no, it's a part and parcel of our life. I hope you understand this chapter, and I'm also the same. I also feel stuck, I used to feel stuck while practicing my English, but I create a commitment with myself, because I have a goal and I have to go somehow. Really, I have to go anyhow, because my fathers, my mothers want my children is doing something good. That's motivation line help me. I think you understand all of the context or all of the chapter of my video. Today I'm sick, but that's after that I create video because I love in making content, I love in speaking in English, and I have an immense goal to go far away, and I want that you are also going with me. Let's grow with together. Now I will give you a one important suggestion how to start your journey or how to remove this feel stuck. At first, at a time in your life, create a momentum. Like, what's the meaning of momentum? Right now, if you don't know, just go in Chrome browser, just go in your dictionary, then search that what's the meaning of momentum, what's the meaning of momentous. In two words, it's very important of our life, because everything is momentum, everything is momentous. So if you think that every situation is momentum for you, then you have to do something in your life, and always think about that your parent want something from your life, and they are always chasing about your journey, they are always proud, they feel proud when you are starting. So don't let get in negative way. I think your parent always think about your life positively, and that gonna never going in negative side. Eventually, if you have any confusion about the conclusion about my video, then let me know in my comment section and write down your thoughts and write down your pioneer thinking, like that I remove my fear while learning English, while practicing English. This comment help another guy, another audience, because when they are seeing your comment, they also get motivation. They also get indomitable dream that yes, he is doing, so why not me? Why not me? Ask about yourself, and if you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Ultimately, pray for me because I am too much sick, and after that I will try to make video for you, for my indomitable, unshakable audience, so that they can English learn smoothly and frank way. I hope you understand and you enjoy the full video, and let me know your thought, your motivation in my comment section. I'm waiting for you, and I hope you are doing something good in your learning way. Keep practicing English in every single day. Never ever think you quit. Don't think this line. Rather think I can do that. So say about yourself, I can do that. I have to do somehow. Right now you see my background. You see my brick, like the background in brick. So this is not a matter. This is the actual thing. You are practicing. You are consistent. Be strong. Be bold. Be the best version of yourself, and be the boys. What actually you want. That's very important. That's gonna help you to go in your future. That gonna create a momentum, the way how you think. So what have you done in today? Just say about yourself and let me know in my comment section. That gonna help you to create more sentence. That gonna help you to speak English frankly. Be happy, be consistent, be bold, be persistent, be the best version of yourself. Love you everyone. That's all of from me in 2025. I'm joking, just I'm kidding. Love you everyone.